In the box. 3-foot USB-C to DisplayPort, DP, cable for connecting USB-C enabled devices to an HDTV, 4K monitor, or other DP-enabled display. Supports 4K video. Supports resolutions up to 4K, 3840 by 2160. Clear images and pure audio with fast 60 Hz refresh rates. DP Max 4K by 2K at 60Hz. Plug play. No adapter or driver, software needed. Host's USB-C port requires DP1. 2 Alt mode to view video over USB-C. Not all USB-C ports support Alt mode functionality. Compatibility. Works with Thunderbolt 3, MacBook Pro 2019-2018, 2017-2016, iMac 2017, Google Pixelbook, Dell XPS 15, HP Spectre X360, Samsung Note 9, Mac Mini, and iPad Pro. Ideal for DP-enabled TVs, monitors, and projectors, video and audio transfer. Durably made. Aluminum housing with a sleek space gray finish. Top reviews from the United States. Great. This product works great. I work remotely a lot and this allows me to connect my Mac to any screen with a HDMI port. Amazing. Really liked this, worked for me. I was skeptical it wouldn't work, but this helped me to connect a monitor to my PC.